Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook account. First go to facebook.com, then click create new account. Then write your first name, surname, your mobile number or email address. Then retype your email address again. Then type your password. Then select your birth date. Select your gender. Then click sign up. Now there will be a code sent to your email. Go to your email address and copy that code. Now paste that code here. Then click continue. Now you can see this that your account has been confirmed. Then click OK. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.